Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. In a previous class, what I am telling up to DDL, I am telling only. Whenever we are changing a what, renaming a column, that is alter with rename is there. That is a DDL command. That's why we are not required to use a commit command. Why? Because all DDL commands are automatically committed. Up to this one we are discussing. But unfortunately, today onwards, very important. Data manipulation language. That's the main concepts only. But unfortunately, DDL, you don't have an idea, also not a problem. But DML compulsory you are learning. We are learning means any software engineer also, either Java, either Python, either .NET, either PHP, any front-end developers also must familiar. Why? Because there is a common concept in every software engineering side only, or now any project side. There is a mandatory concept, write it. Data manipulation language, side heading. Data manipulation language is very interesting. Data manipulation language. Within the bracket, DML, write it, DML. What is data manipulation language means already you have an idea, no? Yes, suppose table structure means DDL, I am telling only. These are columns are there. Within these columns, within this column, which data we are storing? So now here, yes, data related concept. Suppose here, this is a data. So now here, suppose I want to insert this data, modify this data, delete this data, like this only data. That's what data manipulation language means. These commands are used to manipulate data in a table. Manipulate data in a table means, suppose here, this is a what? A table is there, for example. In this one, I want to manipulate the data only. Now here, check it out. Suppose I want to change this manager into some name. Suppose I want to delete this record. I want to insert this record. That's what this is called data only. I want to manipulate data in a database. Then we are using a what? A DML commands. Write it fastly. Theory, write it. DML commands are used to manipulate data in a table. DML commands are used to manipulate data in a table. These are, first one, fastly, insert. Second one, update. Third one, delete. In every database, these three is there, no? But Oracle side, extra concept. Fourth, here, merge. Oracle 9a onwards within the bracket, right? These are insert, comma, update, comma, delete. Sorry, insert, and second one update, third one delete, fourth one merge within the bracket, Oracle 9a onwards, right? Merge is the extra command in a Oracle, okay? DM. Finished, fast. Now here, side ready, insert. Insert means everyone knows that easy. Now actually, I want to load the data into table. Suppose here, these are columns are there. Okay, fine. Up to now, you have an idea DDL. Now I want to store a data into where this table, load the data into where table. Then we are using a what? Insert command. It is used to insert data into table or not? Write it, insert. It is used to. It is used to insert. It is used to insert data. It is used to insert data into a table. It is used to insert data into a table. Actually, all the databases, only two methods are there, but Oracle, three methods. Okay. Na? Method one, I will tell you. It is used to insert data into a table. Second method is most powerful. First method, universal. Write it. Method one. Say ready. Method one. Method one means syntax is there. This is in every database, same syntax only. Not only Oracle, every database. Observe here. What is the syntax they are giving? Insert space into is a clause is there. These are predefined. Insert space is there. Space into space is there. Okay. Table name, insert into table name. Maybe so many fellows having idea. Values. These are predefined command. What is into, what is values? Don't ask only. Those type of things, names, meaning is not there. Just SQL engines in every database, understandable. This is a loading a data into a table. That's a insert space into space, table name, space, values. Insert into table name, values. Here within the parenthesis only, value 1, comma, value 2, any number of values also we are allowed to insert. Here now semicolon. That's why insert into table name, values. Here within the parenthesis, value 1, value 2, anything, any number of values. Right? Method 1. Method 1, syntax, insert into table name, values, within the parenthesis, value 1, comma, value 2, any number of values. Okay, insert into table name, values, value 1, value 2, value 3. Okay, yes. Now onwards, concentrate. Very, very, very important. Why? Because some rules are there in every database when we are inserting a character data. Now here most powerful. Number data means there is no problem. In a date data means today we are not inserting. In a futures date also we are inserting. That is some knowledge is required. But today easiness purpose, I'm telling about numbers and characters. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose here this is a table is there. Concentrate. This is a table. Now same like a previous class table I'm creating now. Then I will tell you how we are inserting a data. 5 minutes or 2 minutes, concentrate, very important. Suppose first is a table, any table, just here. In this table, I try to declare a what? 2 columns, okay, fine. In this column, I try to store today numbers, okay, fine. That's why here we are declaring a what? A data type is a number. That's why data type based only we are inserting a data, not a column name based. Data types are most powerful. So now here, that's why in a previous classes data types I'm telling only. Now here number is a data type, for example. Again, in this second column, I try to store some characters, for example. Characters we are storing means better to declare a what. This one is a what? Where cat to data type. Okay. Where cat to data type. Okay, fine. Now these columns, any names we are using only. Your own wish, any names. Now here yes number is a what, a column, anything. Okay, just idea purpose. Names your own wish. Name is a column, I'm decided. Now I try to insert a data. How you are inserting a data? This data type based only. Why? Because in a normal language you are observing or not, in a where C, C++, Java, these type of languages side means integer A, we are declaring a variables. Integer is called a data type. A is a variable. That is a variable name. And now here identification of the where memory location, everyone knows. But here which data we are storing? Based on this data type only we are storing only. Suppose here this is a integer means integers we are allowed to store. This is a character means characters. Dates means dates, like this only. That's why always here, yes, data type based only they are loading a data into variables or not, normal languages. Same like here also we are inserting a data, not a column name based. So many fellows are column name based, they are inserting a data, but data type based important. Column names anything, but data types based important. Now I try to insert a data. So now here observe here, numbers means there is no problem. But unfortunately, characters problem only. Suppose here I try to insert a what, one or anything. Now here insert into table name values here, this data type based only, screen observe it, this data type based only one we are inserting. Okay, fine. Now here this is a character data type based only. Here I try to insert a character data, means be careful, compulsory in a insert into statement side. Yes, here some other thing we are using. What is that one means? Whenever character data means single quotes, very important, single quotes, most powerful. Within the, suppose whenever okay, anything we are writing means that will be treated as a character data, means compulsory that string we are putting in a very single quotes. There is a rule only in every database. Then only it will be treated as a character data. Now here I try to, yes, here ABC I'm typing only. That's why automatically ABC is storing. This is a dangerous mechanism. Why? Because here, capital letters are there, capital letters only storing. Small letters are there, small letters only storing. Why? Because character data is case sensitive. So now here, observe here, character data is a what? A case sensitive only. Character data is a case sensitive. Character data is a what? A case sensitive. Oracle is not a case sensitive. Here, in capital, small, anything also possible. But here, this is a blue line observed here. Yes, this one. This character data is a case sensitive. Suppose here, single quotes, okay. Capital letter Murali, my name, I try to store means Murali is storing. Small letter I'm using means small letter it will be storing. That's why your own wish. Based on the type of situation, you are only decided. That's why character data is cases to capital letters are different and small letters are different in a character data. Morally is a what I am typing like this. Then automatically, so now it will be storing a what? A one here morally like this. Capital letter means capital letter storing, small letter means small letters only storing only. That's why whenever we are using a character data, compulsory we must specify within a single quotes. Capital letters you want means capital letters, small letters you want means small letter. Character data only case sensitive. Oracle is not a case sensitive. SQL is in the language is not a case sensitive. PLSQL language is not a case sensitive. Okay, na? Maybe these all the things. Maybe so many fellows having idea. No newcomer, non-technical person purpose. Slowly, I'm telling. Now here, check it out. Now this one practically observed here. Practically, tell me. Now here practically just observe it here. I am creating a what here like this only. Now here check it out. Observe it here. Don't write it. Drop table name first only. In a table is there. I'm dropping. Practically observe it here. Suppose I'm creating a table. Don't write it. Create table name here first. In a test also not about. Now here, yes, here S number is a column I'm interested. Number, okay, number is a data type in a previous classes, you have an idea. Comma, name is a column here where cat2 is a data type I'm creating. Okay, fine. Whenever I'm creating a what like this, here after table is created. Now here again select statement not working because data is there, then only select statement is working. That's why select star from first means no row selected is a message. But before we are storing a what as the data into where in a table, better to, you are a good professional means better to describe table. This because describe table name means automatically data types are visible. Through that one only we are inserting a what data. That is a real-time concept side. Always a describe table is a better option. Now here observe here DSC. Okay, now DSC I am typing a what first is a table like this. Whenever describing a table, I'm understandable. Oh, maybe Oracle Corporation, otherwise another fellow. So now giving a what here, this is a number. First column is a number. Okay, fine. Data type. Second column is a what? Character. They are giving only. Now, based on that one, we are trying to insert a data. How can I insert a data? Insert into table name. What is the table name? First only here, values like this. Here, I try to insert a 1, comma, here, yes, here, 1 is a what number. Here, character data means here, morally, my name I'm inserting, but single quotes compulsory. Without single quotes, it won't work. Morally like this, here automatically, now here, yes, here, that record is inserted or not. One morally is a record, here is a record. Now, I want to view in a previous case, select statement not working. Also, in this case, select statement is working or not. Select star from first only. Now, here, observe here, one morally is there. This is the way here, table format only data is visible or not. Yes, here, first is a table, yes number and name is a column, one and morally is a what? Yes, a record. Now I try to insert another record. What is the problem? Again, another record means again you are typing a what? Another insert statement. Insert into table name here first only, now here values like this. Here two, okay, fine. Here Sachin is a record I am giving. You are also Sachin you are giving. Why? Because today one of these days that Sachin record based some other concept I will tell you. Now here, yes, here, now check it out. I try to display the water data means here select star from table name. Automatically 2 records are there or not? But what is the problem with this first method? Means suppose 1 record means not a problem. Insert into table name values, typing your second record also not a problem. Insert into table name values. Third record also not a problem. Fourth record also not a problem. Insert into table name values. Okay, but unfortunately, 1 lakh records we are allowed to insert means in that case, insert into table name values, insert into table name values, insert into table name values is very difficult. That's why they are giving a what second method. Second method. What is the beauty of the where second method? I will tell you. One time only you are writing a insert into table name, but a number of times we are same like a data entry. We are giving a what or input to the where. Yes, that insert statement is enough only. And now here check it out. That is the second method is most powerful. Up to that one, first method write it. Anybody lately connected means just DML. We are starting only DML. We are write it. Okay, fine. Insert into. This is the first method in a insert statement. Insert into table name values. Value 1, value 2, value 3. Here semicolon. Okay. Example write it. Create table onwards write. At least 2 records like this only. Next method very important. I will tell. These are 2 records. Slowly write it. Example. First time no. Single quotes compulsory in a character. Write this create table and insert data. Completed. Second record also write it. Here number based only here. This one number. Character based only morally like single quote, small letter I am giving small letter. This record on another record also type it. 2 records at least. Then I will tell you important method. These 2 records also write it. Complete it fast. Non-technical one is slowly, but technical persons fastly write. And now very interesting, very important method. What is that one means? Most powerful. What is that one means? Second method is very important. What is method 2 means? I will tell you. But in a method 2, same like a data entry, you dynamic values only. Method 2, right? Writing method 2. What is method 2 means? Here within the bracket, okay, so now here you are write it only now within the bracket using substitutional. Using substitutional operator. Within the bracket. This is also called as ampersand. Substitutional means don't worry, ampersand operator. Very important this one. using substitutional operator within the bracket ampersand right. In a Oracle side, this is called not ampersand, substitutional operator. Normal language ampersand is there, no? Yeah. Using substitutional operator. Now check it out, concentrate. Very interesting. Very important only. Actually, I am also here also in a real-time project side also. Everyone using a what inserting means this is the 80% of the case, this method only there is. Why? Because what is the advantage? I will tell you compared to previous method. Observe here, concentrate. First, what is this one means? First, observe here. Actually, in an ampersand operator is there in a scanf is a function is there in a C language. In that one ampersand operator, sorry, okay, in this one, in that one scanf function is used to read the values from the keyboard or not? Here also read the values from the keyboard. Ampersand operator, but unfortunately, this is totally different. Anybody good at what C language? In a C language, printf is a command is there so many times. Is a function. In this printf function, suppose user entered value means most of the 80% of the where programmers, real-time programmers giving a what? Enter value for double quotes are there, but first observe here, enter value for is a predefined message they are typing. Most of the time, 80% of the case. In a C++ programmers, okay, always cout is a function is there. Don't write it here. And now here in that one also they are using a what? A most regularly used. So now here yes, your message means enter value for I think. In a Java .NET programmer, for example, here. So now here yes, console dot right line is there. In that case also regularly used message enter value for most of the time. Most of the programmers are okay writing a what? Enter value for their writing. Again, Java programmers also system.out.println. In that case also most of the time user entered value means enter value for their writing. That's why observe here. Most of the time software engineers are reading a values from the keyboard or user entered value means enter value for is a predefined message. So most of the time they are using only in a real-time project side. In a language programmer also. Same like Oracle Corporation, what they are telling me is just ampersand operator they are giving. In that ampersand operator, a predefined message they are giving only. What is that one means? Here, enter value for is a predefined message. That's why whenever we are using a what ampersand operator in SQL, okay, so in a PLSQL, in a dynamic SQL, otherwise anywhere also in a D2K, anywhere also ampersand operator we are using means enter value for is a predefined message, it will be defined. Oracle Corporation giving in a predefined message. Suppose I want to change this message, no, not possible. So now what not possible? So many people are asking, sir, can we change what this okay message? Yes, no, not possible. So I enter value for is a predefined fixed message Oracle Corporation giving. After that one only we are changing what that messages in it. But basically predefined message designed by the Oracle Corporation, enter value for within a where ampersand operator, within ampersand operator. That's why whenever we are using the ampersand operator, always enter value for is a predefined message is there. This is regularly used in a where PLSQL is a concept is there. Suppose for example, this is a PLSQL is there. In a future, we are writing a what a PLSQL program. So in that one only, observe here ampersand is an operator they are using regularly. Here enter value for is a predefined message is there or not. Anywhere also ampersand operator we are using means automatically enter value for is a not a message. Here ampersand is there. Here enter value for. That's why a predefined message is available where we enter value ampersand we are using means enter value for is a message it will display. So now here yes, that's why first write it ampersand. Here operator here like this. Enter value for right. What is the meaning of the where ampersand means enter value for right. Complete fast. And now, what is the syntax they are giving me? Same like a previous case syntax. What is the advantage means practical, I will tell you. And now here, yes, enter value for compulsory, you have to remember it. We cannot change that message, okay? And now here, check it out. What is the advantage means? I will tell you before that one here, same like a previous case syntax. Insert into table name values. Just here in front of the where, so column name ampersand there is. Here column name 1 they are giving only. Here ampersand column name 2. Like this, any number of columns also possible. Insert into table name values. Write it. Syntax, write it. Insert into table name values. Here ampersand column name 1, ampersand column name 2. Now what the advantage means? Concentrate. Very, very interesting. 5 minutes concentrate. Very important. This is most powerful. That's why slowly I'm telling. Now insert is a command is there. Just into is a command. Here table name first only. Here values up to now okay. But unfortunately here they're giving a Oracle Corporation ampersand. Column name they're giving. What is the column name? S number. Here S number is a column name, no, not a values. Column name. Okay. Comma here. Ampersand name only working, but unfortunately I am not interested. Why? Because you are observing or not. Here name column is a what? Character data. Character data. Whenever character data we are inserting in single quotes, we are using only. Each and every time single quotes, I am not interested. Whenever you are writing a what ampersand column name is okay, working, I'm agree. But each and every time you are inserting a what data means single quote. That is a little bit of difficult now. That's why what is the easiest method means so many software engineers using a what this method only. What is that one? Within a syntax itself, ampersand single quotes we are there using only. Why? Because there is a character data. Once we are there giving a what single quotes here, each and every time not required to insert a what single quotes only. Here, single quotes. Ampersand here name only like this. Okay, yes, enter value for it will display now. I am pressing enter key. Enter value for I am not writing enter value for server only writing enter value for S number. It will blinking mechanism is there. Now here now 3 I am entering. Now press enter key. Now enter value for name it will be displayed. Now ABC I am typing. Now here ABC single quote not required. Why? Because within the syntax itself single quote is there or not. That is the advantage. Here ABC we are entering. Yes, one record is inserted. Old and new, don't worry. Here one record is inserted or not. Yes, here. Again, I want what the advantage means. Again, I want to insert another record means again we are not required to write insert into table name. Just run the where previous query means slash we are using in a Oracle side. If you want to run the where previous query means always slash where. Whenever we are running a what a previous query run in SQL plus tool side, just we are using a what a slash forward slash. Now whenever we are typing a what forward slash here, now automatically yes, enter value for it will display message or not. Yes, here 4. Okay, fine. Enter value for name XYZ. Like this only, any number of values also possible or not. Again, I'm inserting another record means again, okay, so now run that one only. That's why dynamically same like a data entry, we are inserting a data or not. In a previous case, always. Now here, check it out. In a previous case, each and every time insert into table name values, insert into table name values, insert into table name values. But now in this case only ampersand method means enter value for is a predefined message is there. And now here through that one, here I'm inserting a data ampersand within the single quotes better ampersand only here 3 ABC 4 XYZ like this. Automatically it will be inserted or not? Yes. Any number of values also same like a data entry. Now that is the advantage, right? Then how beautifully interviewer asks some other question, I will tell you. Already we are writing, up to ampersand column 1, column name 2, syntax we are writing. That example writing. Here run me slash, previous query running me slash, right? Write it this one. Here running this query here slash, that is important. Previous query run. Complete fast. Insert into first values ampersand. Better to use a single quotes here ampersand. Single code here. Because character data here single code you are giving means here not required single code. Here single code you are not giving means here single code. Here run this one means slash. Again you are not required to write insert into. That is the advantage. They are same like a data entry, no? Yeah. Complete it out fast. Complete all are writing. Fast writing. That is easy. Hello. All are writing. Fast writing. One fellow is asking Murli sir, how can I insert a 1 to 10 numbers? They are asking only. That is in a future. Now here, yes, PLSQL set some programs are there. Through that one, we are inserting 1 to 10 numbers, 1 to 110 numbers, 1 to so now here 1000 numbers like that. It's suppose here, okay, one fellow is asked. They have doubt only. Now here, yes, so many things are there in a future. Now check it out. In a future, 1 to 10 numbers. Don't write. These are all the things we are learning in it. Here observe here. Now here, yes. For loops is a concept is there. Now here, yes. Here we are creating a table in a future. Okay, fine. Yes, here I try to 1 to 50 numbers, 1 to 100 numbers, 1 to 1000 numbers, anything also. Then within the loop only this insert statement we are using, then automatically it will be inserted. Those all the things are there in a future concept, not now. But here these are insert into table name normal values only. Okay, yes, here. Now I am asking about one question only. Now here, yes, concentrate here, concentrate here. Suppose here, okay, here in this case, automatically it will be inserted. Okay, fine. Select the star from what is select means up to now you don't have an idea also. Just we are selecting the data from the table. Okay. Now screen observe again. Here in a previous case, we are writing a what insert into first values like this only. Okay, fine. But here, I'm not interested to use a what after ampersand column name. They are giving a Oracle Corporation. But after ampersand, I am not interested to use a column name. I am not interested to use a column name. In place of this one, any name I am giving one, I am giving. Now in place of name, I try to use a what two I am giving only. Now this query is working or not working? Maybe guess it anybody. Now this query is working or not working? I have a doubt only. In place of column name, Oracle Corporation giving a column name. In place of column name, just we are using a what? We are giving a what? Any name only. After ampersand 1 or 2 or A or B or anything I'm giving only. Now this query maybe working or not working. Very good. 3 persons are telling a working, 1 person is telling a what and not working only. Which one is the correct answer? Very good. Working. I am also here also are now thinking about there is a wrong one we are thinking, but unfortunately it is working. Why it is working means reason is there. After ampersand column name, they are giving a Oracle Corporation also, but you are not using a column name also working. Why means subject here after ampersand, whatever name we are using in a previous case, that is only displayed. Okay, for example, ampersand means enter value for is a predefined message. This is a what? Enter value for is a predefined message. Here yes number you are using means yes number is displayed. ABC you are using means ABC it will displayed. And now here yes here okay anything we are displaying means yes here. That's why in place of S number just one I am giving means one is displayed. 1 or 2 is server. Okay, end user is not understandable. Server is understandable also. End user confusing. What is 1? What is 2? What is A? What is B like this? That's why maybe they are not giving, but possible. Now check it out. Just I am using a what after ampersand any name also possible. Why I am giving this one means any number, any name, anything means yes here in a PLSQL messages purpose ampersand they are using. In that after ampersand developer wish anything also they are using. And now check it out. Enter value for 1 it will display. But what is 1 here? Okay, I am end user, I am not understandable. Suppose I am a programmer means oh maybe 1 means first column server is asking only. That's why here 5 anything I am there. 2 means what is 2? We don't have an idea, but I'm a developer means 2 means maybe second column in this example side. Here that's why character data, that's why anything also I'm right. This is a way. Now otherwise okay, so now confusing only any data also you are inserting means then problem or not. That's why whenever we are inserting a what dynamic values after ampersand not only column name, any number, any name also possible. That is my intention. Write it. This example also write. Every statement ends with semicolon. Yeah. Okay, after ampersand anything also we are using only. That is my intention. Here duplicate data also not a problem. In a duplicate data restriction means in a future some concept is there. Okay. Up to this one practice it. After 1 or 2 days after more time we are spending only because another class fellows are combining only still they are very late only. Now here yes. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Tomorrow. Thank you. Up to now, everybody not installing means please be install it, because in a future fastly we are telling more time we are spending in that one more concepts. Up to these classes slowly I'm telling only, that's why practice it. Easy, very easy. Okay, now tomorrow I will tell you, remember tomorrow I'll continue. One field is asking only, sir, I truncate the first table, all rows are deleted. Can I insert again in first table? Yes, possible. Newly inserted data only available? Yeah, possible. After truncate also we are inserting data, possible.